Good morning everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter 1. Your chapter 1 is rational numbers. Okay. So first of all you must know that what are the rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which are in the form of p by q. The numbers which we are writing in the form of p by q. Okay. Something should be there in the numerator and something we are writing in the denominator. Right. So suppose I'm writing minus 2 upon 3. That is a rational number. Okay. I'm writing 7 upon minus 9. That is a rational number. Okay. Negative value can also come in the rational numbers. But the thing is that your denominator should not be 0 in any case. Okay. Something should be there in the denominator. It can be 1, 2, 3, any positive, any negative. But denominator shouldn't be 0. Okay, so rational numbers we are writing in the form of p by q. Here I have written some examples. Okay, the way we can write the rational numbers. Fraction is known as rational number, right? Then we have discussed the properties. We have discussed some properties like closure property. We have discussed commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Then we have discussed some identities. Okay, in the case of addition, additive identity. In the case of multiplication, we have done multiplicative identity. Okay, then we have done addition by 0, multiplication by 0. Okay, these all properties we have discussed in the chapter. I'm not going to write all the properties now. You can go through with the PDF and with the previous videos. You can revise once again all the properties from there. Okay, just now I have just written the names so that the name should be there in your mind. What are the properties? How many are there? Okay, then we have discussed some operation, addition operation. We have discussed how we can add two rational numbers, how we can subtract two rational numbers, how we can multiply any two rational numbers. Okay, and then how we can divide two rational numbers. Right? Last concept we have discussed in the chapter was number line. How we can show the rational numbers on number line, and then how you can find out rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. Sometime I'll give you a question in the paper. Find out 3 rational numbers. Find out 2. Find out 5. Find out 10 rational numbers between two rational numbers. That we have done in this concept. Okay, so this is a basic overview of the chapter that we have discussed all these things, right? So please take out your notebooks with you, practice notebooks with you. I'm writing some question here one by one and we'll discuss, okay, in the class. Take out your practice notebooks, everyone. In the class, I'm going to revise the concept. Okay, if you are having any doubt in the chapter, that you can call me in the evening. Okay, in the questions you are having doubt, if you have missed any concept, if you are not able to understand any formula, that you can call me in the evening. Okay, in the evening students used to call me. Okay, they are taking all the doubts. They are doing video call also. Okay, through the video call I am taking all the doubts. Okay, you can call anytime in the evening. So now your first question I am giving you. Yeah, everyone, first of all tell me how we can add these questions. Okay, I am writing here first part, minus 16 upon 5 and minus 16 upon 5, yes, and minus 1 upon 5. Do this part, and B part I am giving minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 7 plus 4 upon 3. Okay, these two parts everyone has to solve. Quickly note down these parts. Aditya Sachdeva, where is the notebook? Sit attentively in the class. These are revision days. Abhinav, wait for some. If you are busy somewhere, Abhinav, you can do your work. Start doing. I'll unmute some students, then I'll ask how you have done. If the students are having any doubt in the concept like how we can do multiplication map, how we can take LCM, how we can divide, how we can show the rational numbers on the number line, how we can find out any two rational numbers between two numbers, okay? Take all the doubts in the evening, okay? Yes, quickly, I'm going to unmute some students. Arush Parmar, do you have any section? Leave the class and join again. Arman at Blossom, switch on the video quickly. Mishika. Yes, Shraddha. Come on the mic, Shraddha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Shraddha, please tell me how we can solve these two rational numbers. Question is addition. You have to add. Okay. How I'll write? Tell me step by step.
Ma'am, first we will write minus 16 upon 5.
Very good.
And then we will write minus.
First of all, you are doing addition. So write here plus sign. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And then write down this term as it is. Okay. Okay. Two sign cannot come together. So you have to put a bracket. Right.
Okay.
Now first term will be as it is. Now this is plus and minus. Now which sign should come here?
Ma'am, minus.
Very good. Plus minus. Everyone listen carefully. Plus minus will become minus. Okay. And 1 by 5 will come here. Now LCM of 5 and 5 will be?
Ma'am, 5 only.
Very good. Now please tell me what should I write in the numerator?
Ma'am, it will be minus 16
Very good.
and minus 1.
Whenever the denominators are same, listen everyone. When the denominators are same, you have to write down that denominator one time and the numerators as it is. Minus 16, minus 1 as it is. When the denominators are same. Okay, when they are different, then take the LCM and go with that method. Now, next step. Yes, Shraddha, next step.
Ma'am, the answer will be minus 17 upon 5.
Very good. Minus 16 and minus 1. You have to add and sign will be minus. And this will be the answer. Very good. Please mute yourself, Shraddha.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next question. Everyone. Next question. The names which I'm calling, if they will not come on the mic, I'll immediately remove that student. Right? Aditya Sasdeva and Arman at Blossom. Switch on the video. Ankit at Blossom. Come on the mic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Ankit, please tell me, in this question, denominators are different. Okay, so what we will do?
Ma'am, we have to take LCM of 3, 7 and 3.
Very good. LCM of 3, 7 and 3. Okay, LCM will be what?
LCM will be 21.
21. Very good. LCM of 3, 7 and 3 will be 21. Now I have to write 21 here. Right? Now tell me how I'll solve. Now tell me. 3. Yes. What will come here?
Ma'am, minus 14.
3 7s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. Minus 14. Very good. Next.
Plus 15.
7 3s are 21. 3 5s are 50. Very good.
Plus
quickly. Everyone, do it. I'm reading your answers. Rakshit, correct. Tell me the answer. Ankit?
Ma'am, telling.
Yes, everyone. Anshuman, no. Your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, 29 upon 21.
Very good. When you will add these two, whatever the answer will be there, from that subtract minus 14, okay? 29 upon 21 is the answer. Okay, very good, Ankit. So everyone knows this thing, how we can add any two rational numbers when the denominators are same. Then you have to go with the easiest method. When the denominators are different, then you have to take LCM, and then solve the question. Right? Lakshita, sit properly. Hardik Lathar, adjust your camera quickly. I'm giving the next term, okay? Just wait. Now do the next question. Quickly. In this chapter, you have to solve these kind of questions and you have to solve word problem questions as well. Right? Okay. I'm writing here. Question is, Tanisha bought a book for rupees 13 1 by 2, a book for rupees 17 2 by 3, and here she brought a book and then she brought, don't write book here, write here notebook. Okay, and a pen. Okay, for rupees 15 1 by 4. Okay, how much money did she spend in all? How much money did she spend in all? Right, very easy. Just tell me once, everyone. I'm reading your messages. In this question, Tanisha bought a book for rupees this much, notebook for rupees this much, and a pen for rupees this much. Right? How much money did she spend in all? What you have to do? You have to subtract, you have to multiply, you have to divide, or you have to add. Very good. All the answers are correct. Those who are sending messages. Okay. Now please find out the question quickly. Solve the question, take out the answer. Quickly. I'm going to unmute some students in the class. Quickly. Practice is very important in mathematics. Don't depend upon all the PDFs that ma'am will provide. All the PDFs we just have to maintain the notebooks. Okay? Maintenance of notebooks is the first part. Second part is your own practice. Take your doubts from your teacher. Okay? In the evening, whatever doubts you will be faced. Anshulet, Blossom, adjust your camera. Your video is paused. Quickly do this question. Krishma, you don't have section? Leave the class and join again. Quickly. Konark, are you doing question? Konark, I'm going to unmute you. Hardik, I'm removing you from the class because camera is not adjusted. Divyansh, switch on the video. Aditya Dabar, Gurleen Kaur, Jasmine Kaur, Krishma, Lakshay Chaudhary, Vibhat, Yuvraj, Aditya Dabar. I'm going to remove you. Divyansh, come on the mic. Yes, quickly. Divyansh, come on the mic and tell me how we can solve this question immediately. Ashima. Divyansh. Your voice is not audible. Arman 8 Blossom. Quickly come on the mic. Arman 8 Blossom. No worries, Arman. I have removed you from the class. Those who are not coming on the mic, they can do rest at home. Jasmine Kaur, come on the mic quickly. Jasmine, a message has gone to you quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Jasmine, please tell me what we will do in this question. It's a word problem question. Whenever you are having word problem questions, everyone. Jasmine, just wait. In the word problem questions, everyone has to write down proper steps, okay? Proper statements, okay? Write down cost of a book is rupees 13 1 by 2, right? Cost of notebook, just hold on Jasmine, 17 2 by 3, okay? And cost of a pen is rupees 15 1 by 4. Now please tell me how we can solve. Okay, you have to find out total cost. Okay? Open the mixed fraction, Jasmine, 1 by 1 quickly. 13 1 by 2 is what?
26 plus 1 equals to 27 upon 2.
Very good, 27 upon 2. 17 2 by 3 what?
So it is a 51.
51 plus 2?
53 upon 3.
Okay. 15 1 by 4 is what?
Plus 15 4 is 60. 60 plus 1.
Very good. 61 upon 4. Okay. Please mute yourself, Jasmine.
Okay, ma'am.
Due to some network issue, the voice is fluctuating. Okay. So the next steps are you have to take LCM of 2, 3 and 4 and solve the question. Okay. I'm not solving the rest of the steps. Next steps are take LCM of 2, 3 and 4. LCM will be, how much will be the LCM? 12. Very good. Okay. After taking 12 LCM, then you have to solve the term and you will get the answer. Okay. Now note down the next question immediately. Whenever you will be having word problem questions, write down the statement properly. What is given, what you are going to find out. Okay, it is very important. Don't write down the answers only, or some are writing in this way, this step and the last step. No, in the word problem mention all the steps. Okay, now do the next question. question is multiply these values. Okay, I'm writing here. Three upon 64 multiply with minus 8 upon 9. Okay, this is A part. B part is B part is 5 upon 2 multiply with minus 16 upon 5 multiply with 21 upon 3. Okay, you have taken out the answer. Yuvansh and Trisha, are you solving these questions? Krishma, show me your notebook once. Krishma, quickly where you have solved these questions, show me once. And Yuvraj, show me the notebook in front of the screen. Krishma, can't you listen? Everyone solve this question. Switch on the video, everyone. Rajbir ma'am, whose videos are off, kindly remove them. Yes, first question I'm going to ask. First of all, the first part. Okay. Dhriti. Dhriti, come on the mic quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dhriti. How we can solve this question? Multiplication of two rational numbers.
3 upon 64 into minus 8 upon 9. From 3 and 9 cancel 1 and 3.
Very good.
And 8 ones are 8 eights are 64 and 1 will be minus 1.
Very good. 8 ones are 8 eights are, and then you have to multiply the numerators. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 8 into
Minus
3.
1, 24.
Very good. This is the answer. Multiplication and division are very, very easy. Okay, very, very easy. Right? Now the next part. Please mute yourself, Dhriti. Very good. Next student, Lakshita. Please come on the mic quickly. Lakshita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Please tell me, Lakshita, how we can solve this question. How we can cancel? Yes.
Ma'am, first we will cancel 5 upon 2 and minus 16 upon 5.
5 and 5 will get cancelled. Okay. 2 will get cancelled with 16. Okay. On which table?
2 8 are 16.
2, 8 to 16. Anything else we can cancel? Yes. Okay. So now we can't cancel. 8 we can't cancel with 3. 21 we can't cancel with 1. Please multiply 21 into 8. Yes.
Ma'am, 168.
168. Plus or minus?
Ma'am, minus.
Very good. Minus. If any one is minus, you have to write minus here. Now in the denominator?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes. 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. Very good. Please mute yourself. This is the answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay? Everyone knows this thing? Chaitanya? Why are you having doubt? Just wait. Let me read your queries once. Okay? Yeah, obviously, yeah. You can cancel this 21 and 3 also. Yes, you can cancel. Okay? I'm saying you can cancel in this way also and in this way also. If I cancel this, 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are. My answer will be absolutely. Here also you can cancel. Okay, it is also going on 3 table. 3 ones are, 3 fives are, and 3 6 are 18. Okay, if here I'll cancel minus 8 into 5 minus 56. Okay, and upon 1. This is your answer. Absolutely correct. You can cancel these two also. Okay, you have to make it into the simplest form. If here you can cancel, from here to here you can cancel, or here to here also you can cancel. Okay, if you haven't cancelled here, you can cancel in the answer also. Again, answer will be same. Okay, any doubt, Chaitanya now? Avika? Okay, Shraddha, fine. Okay, if you haven't cancelled, if you have missed any step here, you can cancel directly in the answer also. Okay? Fine, Chaitanya, fine. Okay. Now let's start with the next question. Quickly, write down. I'm writing here. After I'm giving 2 parts for the division, and then I'll give you parts for the word problems. Okay? First of all, do this division question. How we can do division of the rational numbers. Okay? Quickly take out your notebooks and start writing. You have to divide minus 3 upon 16 by 15 upon 8. Now you have to write here division sign first of all, and then in the next step which sign you have to write, that is I have told you. Yes, Simarpreet, it is very compulsory to cancel the term. Okay, and you have to convert the question into the simplest form, easiest form. Now the next question I'm giving to you, that is, go for the division, everyone. Division is very, very important. Some students are facing problem how we can solve. Okay, here you have divide 3 by 2 divided by 27 by 16. Okay, and then divided by minus 5 upon 4. Right? Okay, first of all solve this, and then you have to solve that. Right? In the paper I can give you questions in the brackets also. You have to solve the bracket, and then whatever the answer will be there, then you have to solve it outside the term. Right? I'll not give you all the easiest question in the test and in the paper. Just wait, I'm going to unmute. Okay, Anshuman, come on the mic. Harman, after that your turn will be there. Yeah, Anshuman.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshuman, how I'll write the first step?
Ma'am, it will go minus 3 upon 16
Yes.
to 8 upon 15. Ma'am,
First of all, write down the division sign. Okay. And the next term will be as it is. Now in the next step, you have to remove the division sign. If I remove division sign, yeah, what should I write here?
multiply.
Okay, and the next step will be next. Okay. Listen, everyone. First of all, in place of by, you have to write division sign. In the next step, in place of division, you have to write here multiply sign. Whenever you are writing here multiply, immediately the next term will be reciprocal. Immediately the next term will be reciprocal. Now you have to cancel. Anshuman, tell me how we can cancel.
Ma'am, 3 5s are 15.
Okay.
8 2
8 1s are 8 2s are 16. Okay. In the numerator, what will be the answer?
minus 1 upon 10.
Okay, 2 5s are 10. Very good. Please mute yourself, Anshuman.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, so in this way you have to solve in this way, right? Whenever you are having division, in multiplication also I'll write here by. By means multiply. Okay, if division is there, by means division. Okay, by means, if here I'm writing here, do the multiplication, then by means multiply. If I've written here division, then by means division. And then in the next step, you have to remove the division sign and put here multiply. The next term will be reciprocal, and then cancel the terms. Okay, now Quickly solve this part. Quickly. I'll not give all the easiest question in the paper, I'm telling you. Make a habit to solve all the questions. Aniket, do you know this question? Okay, come on the mic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Aniket, please tell me. First of all, we will solve what in this question?
And first we'll do reciprocal.
Okay, first of all, you have to solve this bracket only. Okay. Now, in the bracket, you have to remove division sign, but you will write here.
Multiply.
Okay. And the next term will be
16 upon 27.
very good. Okay. And the next term will be as it is. Okay. Leave as it is. Now, you have to solve this. You can cancel on which table?
And 27 upon 9.
Yes, 3 ones are and 3 nines are. And here, I can cancel.
And 16 upon 8.
Yeah, 2 8s are 16. Okay. 2 you have to cancel with 16 and 3 you have to cancel with 27. Okay. And here what is left? 8 upon 9 is left. Now divide minus 4, 5 upon 4. Now again, what should I write here?
Multiply.
Multiply and next term will be
And reciprocal.
reciprocal minus 4 upon 5. Okay. Now can it cancel anything?
No, ma'am.
No, we can't cancel. Okay. 8 4s are
32.
32 minus 32. 9 5s are
And 45.
45. Very good. Please mute yourself, Aniket.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the correct answer. Okay? Yuvansh, please sit attentively in the class. I can observe everyone. Okay? Those who are solving, those who are listening. Okay? So, whenever such kind of question will be there in the exam, you have to solve the bracket. Okay? Steps you know. You have to remove division sign, put here multiply. Next term will be reciprocal, solve this. Then you have to solve this the second term. Okay, for second term again remove the division sign, put here multiply. Next term will be reciprocal and cancel the terms. Okay, if you can't cancel, then you have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay, and you will get the answer. Right? Now I'm writing the next question. Quickly do this question. If still after today's class you will be left with any doubt, again and again I'm saying you can call me after the class, okay, in the evening, if you will be left with any doubt. Okay, such kind of questions are important, like, okay, suppose the question is product of two numbers is 39 upon 5. Okay, if one of the number is if one of the number is 25 upon 13, find the second number. Quickly do this question. Quickly, very, very easy. Product of two numbers are given. Okay, if first number is this, then find the second number. Quickly do this. This is the last question. Okay. Tomorrow everyone has to come prepared in the class. You will be having test by tomorrow. It is mentioned in the homework. Tomorrow you will be having test of chapter 1. Okay? Tomorrow you will be having test of this chapter. Please come prepared. Whatever the questions are left, okay, that you have to revise at home. Avni, some important discussion is going on. Who will raise the hand? question? Okay. Swayam, come on the mic. Swayam, please come on the mic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How we can write, Swayam? First line.
Ma'am, first of all, we write product of two numbers is 39 by 5.
Very good. 39 upon 5. Okay. First number you have to write it.
The first number is
Okay.
25 by 30.
Okay. Second number is.
Ma'am, in second number we will write, ma'am, 25 by 13 divide.
Yes, yes. Okay, you can write second number as x also. Okay, time is about to over. You can write like x also. The way you are solving, that is also correct, Swayam. Okay, or you can solve in this way. Product of two numbers means 25 upon 13 multiplied by x is equals to 39 upon 5. Okay, then how you can take out the x? This value will go that side. Okay, x will be equals to 39 upon 5 and multiply by 13 upon 25. Swayam, in this way you can solve also.
Okay, ma'am.
In the beginning, what you were saying in this way only you have to multiply these two terms, and in this way also you can solve the question. It means the multiplication of two numbers is equals to 39 upon 5 and you will get the answer. Cancel the terms and you will get the answer. Okay. So you can cancel this, if you can cancel this and this on 5 table or 3 table or 13 table, just see to it and you will get the answer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve all the questions of chapter 1. Okay, some questions are left. Okay, right, number system concept is left. Okay, rest we have discussed in the class, that you can revise at home and bring your doubts. Okay, in the class whenever we are having doubt clearing session, and you can call me in the evening for your doubts. Bye bye and take care all of you.